Christine from Skiset. Today we are talking about snowboard boots. The most important things with snowboard boots is they are comfortable. Make sure you bring with you your ski socks and insoles if you wear them for sports. It's important to get advised by the ski tech to make sure your snowboard boots will be comfortable on the slopes. The first stage of the process is the checking with our Skiset host. Next, you will have your foot measure on the ScanFit machine. The scanner will make a 3D scan of your feet to make sure you get the right fitting boots. For the shops without the ScanFit, you will be measured manually. The boot fitter will bring you your snow boots and will help you to put them on correctly. You will be asked a few questions to make sure your boots fit correctly. Your boots should feel snug and comfortable, and you should be able to wiggle your toes. If your snowboard boots feel uncomfortable, you can ask to try another pair. If it starts to hurt when you are snowboarding, you can come back to the shop to try another pair.